the weather conditions. And we are truly grateful to be partnered with Link Up, even we are just starting out, and we are happy to help all the cyclists and all other sports activities with these new gears that we can proudly present to. And yeah, just enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you for coming again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yung microphone. Alright, look here. Move lang tayo ng konti dito. Yan. Alright, look here.
Eye care service and innovative optical solutions. My optical company niya. Gawa ko na company nila. We are also pleased to share that the Blink Up Ranger AI glasses are now available at Ideal Vision Center. And representing one of the country's trusted names in eye care and vision solutions, please welcome Ms. IBC, Regional Manager of Ideal Vision Center, my optical provider. Opo, kay Dr. Sandra.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm proud to represent Ideal Vision Center as a partner with Blink Up Philippines for the launch of the Ranger Eye Sports Sunglasses. Thank you, Mac, for inviting us. Blink, thank you for having us with you. As a cyclist myself, this sport is all about speed, focus, and freedom. But one of the most important matter, without clear vision and eye protection, this sport could be disastrous. So here in Ideal Vision Center, we make sure every rider see at their best through comprehensive exam and customizing your prescription lenses to fit perfectly. With a partnership, you don't just get cutting-edge sports technology, which Blink Up, the Ranger AI sunglasses would offer. We offer also the eyewear tailored for your eyes, for your ride, and for your performance. Together, we're helping all cyclists to see sharper, ride safer, and perform stronger. Thank you, and let us keep every ride clear, safe, and unforgettable.
Ms. Lalaine Gloria, Category Manager of The Loop. Yes, ma'am.
Good day, everyone. I'm Tainani from The Loop. We're excited to announce that Blink Up will be available soon at The Loop stores. So visit your nearest The Loop stores. See you. Yeah.
Alright, look here guys. Okay, ready?